Keto diet meals. Hey there. Looking to start a keto diet? Well, you've come to the right place. Keto diet meals are all the rage right now, and for good reason. They're delicious, nutritious, and easy to make. So, what should you be eating on a keto diet? Well, it's important to focus on high-fat, low-carb foods like meat, fish, eggs, and vegetables. You should also include healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and avocados. And don't forget about healthy carbohydrates like whole grains, legumes, and fruits. These foods will help you stay full and satisfied while still getting all the nutrients you need. Now, let's talk about meal ideas. A great keto breakfast could be an egg-based dish like a frittata or omelette. For lunch, why not try a hearty salad with grilled chicken, avocado, and a light vinaigrette dressing? And for dinner, you can't go wrong with a juicy steak or salmon fillet served with roasted vegetables. So, there you have it. With these tips and meal ideas, you'll be well on your way to a successful keto diet.